all of the companies should have a way of generating leads to basically communicate with their potential customers and communicate with their actual customers. Every company, every startup, every business in the world should generate leads from day one. And that should be the most important part of what we do for our business, because without a flow of our customers and potential customers, and most important of all, their feedback, how can we improve our business? So the feedback part is the most important and essential part of our business. And we want to have multiple ways of giving people opportunity to get in touch with us, so we can leverage that. I want to show how any online business should be in touch with their customers and should generate leads with their potential customers. As an example, we will start with example of Formaloo. I want first to talk about how a website should feel and how a website should work with people. So check out our website. This is our the first page of the website. This page, this section is called a hero section. Why is it called a hero section? It's because most of the customers that land on our website, and when I am saying a website, whether you're a startup, you are an online business, you are an e-commerce, doesn't matter. You have a website, that applies to you. That about 90% of the people who are landing on your homepage, that are mostly landing on your homepage because they click on your link on Instagram, they click on your link in SEO on Google, or in any way or shape or form, they landed on your website. 90% of them, they don't scroll. If they are not getting attracted to your system, they will just close the tab and go someplace else. That's the main thing. So the main job of the hero section is, okay, how should I be attractive to everyone who is my customer, who is my audience? And when we talk about that, we should define our ICP, ideal customer persona. Ideal customer persona for every business is different. Every business have different potential customers. We are not in a business of creating an attractive website for everyone. That's not our business. The business is be useful for our special ICP, the ICP that we chose, the ideal customer persona that we want to attract. And the first part is doing that with hero section. They should, first of all, immediately understand what we are doing. That's the main thing. It's not our job is not to be vague. Our job is not to be to create a mystery. The website is not like a billboard and sometimes the mysterious is good advertisement. That's not the case. The website should be concise and to the point, and we should attract all of our ICP right in our hero section. So we should be very, very basically clear on what we are communicating with our customers. And second of all, we should give them a next action. So check out this hero section, our own hero section. We have quite a few different next action items. You can create an account for free. You have login for existing customers and sign up for new customers. So we are providing sign-up system twice, and that has a purpose because we want to show people that you can use Formaloo for free. First of all, it's not a paid system. We are saying it over and over and over again because we want to show people that we are different from other platforms that are providing similar services. That is, we are free. No credit card is needed. You can start testing the system. You start using the system completely for free because not all of your customers will explore, scroll, go to the pricing page to see if you have a free version or what is your pricing. So you should hook them from the beginning. And from that, I'm giving them an easy next item of action. So they can click here and sign up. What if they are a bigger customer that the signing up to a platform is not the main point of contact for them? They have to have a meeting before that. So we have requested demo right here. Some businesses, they put their request demo or basically anything, get in touch with us, contact us only at the bottom of the page, these kind of things. And that would be fine, but you are missing opportunities. And I can click here to request a demo right away and start using system, start getting in touch with our customers. And the most important part is that I'm getting valuable information. When I'm asking for the work email, I'm asking for the work email that they are working with us, so I can get to know their company, so I can research what we can be, how we can be useful for them, for their specific company, and what would be their use cases. So in our meetings, I would be prepared to give them the best examples and the best services that we can provide to their service. I'm asking for their email so we can communicate. These are valuable information that we can have. And of course, with that, I can follow up with them again and again until they are satisfied with our service. I can ask for their feedback, what we are doing well, what we are not doing well. The other part is that to engage the customers, we are giving them a new way of communicating with us. For example, we have webinars every week. Every week, a new webinar and on a new use case. And they can register to that right here. And they can do that right inside the platform. With one click, they can go here, register to an event, and participate just like we are doing right now. And with that, we get to be in touch with our customers and see what is attractive for them, what is the benefits that they are looking for, and what are the things that they are not interested. And that will define our next step, our roadmap. I will show you the next strategy that we have for that and how we can do that. Some businesses, they can do this very well with newsletters. Some businesses, they can do this very well with other activities, for example, in-person events, anything else. But we have to have engaging community of the customers so we can learn from them. The other thing that we do from here is to have a product roadmap. You all know our product roadmap. This is one of the most important parts of lead generation for us that we have, is that we believe in building in public. Anything that people can, anything that is happening inside our team, we will tell to the customer. So you can see what's happening inside the roadmap of our business. What are the features we are working on? What are the features that is completed, that is released? What are the beta features? And also, you can see that how customers are voting on the new features. And you can vote yourself on the features. For example, 1,172 people already voted for which selection on fields, which we are working on right now. I'm happy to say, just to give a little nugget of information. So when you are voting inside the community, when you are suggesting new features, when you are voting on, for example, a new integration, and you are seeing how others are voting inside the system, you feel that you are belonging inside a single community of like-minded people. So creating these kind of communities, creating these kind of roadmaps to showcase what's happening inside your business gets you connected with your customers. The best example that I have seen inside that is the same thing that we are doing right now in our roadmap, is to create a client portal or create a customer portal that we have here as well, the portal builder, that you can have a fully branded client portal for the business so your customers can log in, see the status of their projects, submit their tickets, do anything that they want inside the system, see exact information, and get to be connected with them. Every piece of these examples that I shown for is essential for different businesses. You should not do all of these, but you should pick what is working for you best. So you should try again on what is working for you best.